In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails and attachments in Gmail. If you need a clean copy of an email for your records, to share offline, or to save as a printable file, Gmail makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the email, access the print option, and save it to your device so you can print it whenever you need. First, go to your Gmail inbox, make sure you're signed in and that you can see your list of emails. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to choose the specific message you want to work with. Next, click on the email you want to print along with its attachments. Open the message fully so you can view the conversation and confirm that it's the correct email. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with similar subject lines or multiple messages from the same sender. Take a quick moment to make sure everything you need is included before moving on. Once the email is open, look to the top right corner and click on the print icon. This opens Gmail's print view, which formats the email in a cleaner layout for printing or saving. If your email includes attachments, keep in mind that this step is focused on printing the email itself from Gmail's print view. So it's a good idea to review what appears on screen before continuing. After that, click on Save. Depending on your browser or device, this may appear in the print window as an option to save the email as a PDF. This is useful because saving as a PDF gives you a digital copy that you can print later, email to someone else, or store for your records without needing to reopen Gmail every time. Now decide where the file is going to be saved on your device, and then click Save once more. Choose a location that's easy to remember, such as your desktop, Downloads folder, or a dedicated Documents folder. If you want to stay organized, you can also rename the file before saving it so it's easier to find later. Once the file has been saved, you can open it from your device and print it from there whenever you're ready. This method is a convenient way to keep a copy of important Gmail messages and make sure you have access to them even when you're offline. And that's all it takes to print emails and attachments in Gmail in a quick and manageable way.